Hi, I'm Nancy from J&N Travels. We will be posting random videos on anything travel related, so please join us on Miscellaneous Monday videos. And remember, stay young, have fun.
Hello, I'm John from J&N Travels. Today's Miscellaneous Monday is a little-known tourist attraction called the Lockport Cave and Underground Boat Ride, which is located in Lockport, New York. The Lockport Cave and Underground Boat Ride in Lockport, New York is on the Erie Canal, just a 30-minute drive from Niagara Falls. It offers a 70-minute guided tour through America's Past near Buffalo and Niagara Falls. You will explore the historic and newly rehabilitated Flight of Five Erie Canal Locks 67 through 71, constructed in the year 1838. You will also view ruins from the Industrial Revolution, walk through a water tunnel that was blasted out of solid rock, view stalactites, flowstone, various other geological formations, and artifacts left behind in the underground caves by the men who built the tunnel in the early days of the Erie Canal. Experience an underground boat ride that is both unique and mysterious. The journey is a one-of-a-kind underground boat ride. Embark on one of America's longest underground boat rides along the Erie Canal. Some of the artifacts were left by miners on the Erie Canal over a century ago. View cave formations in their early stages of development. Visitors take a ride that has been described as both peaceful and eerie as the boat glides through the lifeless water, only illuminated by small electric lights. You walk through a 2,100-foot water-powered tunnel blasted out of solid rock. The hydroelectric tunnel provided water power to 3 industries. The tunnel was invented by Birdsell Hawley, a mechanical genius whose inventions were manufactured using the Erie Canal water power provided by this tunnel. Hawley's inventions include the life-saving fire hydrant, central steam heat, and the rotary pump. During his lifetime, Hawley held over 150 patents. Explore the historic engineering marvels on the Erie Canal from the 1800s. You'll also experience Lockport Locks 34 and 35, which allow boats to travel uphill 60 feet through the Niagara Escarpment Ridge of rock. If you are in the area, this is a nice 2 to 3 hour visit for approximately $20 an adult. The following some of our pictures and video that were taken from our 2018 trip to Lockport, New York.
We will not be working here very long.
Are you controlling this with that little remote?
Burn at this.
Yeah, sure. We'll go with that.